Seashells, it's Shelby and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm partnering with Curls to bring you this bomb 3-strand twist out. Without further ado, let's get this video started. Yes. So yeah, the first thing I do, get into the bathroom and take that bonnet off and that scarf, you know, shake the hair out a little and yeah, part my hair into 4 sections and then I proceed to cleanse. Now I'm using the Cashmere and Caviar hair bath to cleanse. This luxurious hair bath gently cleanses with active charcoal as it naturally conditions with cashmere and caviar extracts. It leaves hair looking and feeling silky smooth and cashmere soft. It's a fact. Like, look at my face. I was so shocked that it even came out black, to be honest, because I was not expecting that. And it smells so good. I was not exaggerating. I didn't open these products before this video. This is my first time opening them. And you can see that it actually started to give my hair some definition and I could detangle easily. Mind you that my hair was matted and tangled before I started putting this hair bath in. Check out the definition. I'm just lost for words, like honestly. And next, you know, I gotta get the whole head looking proper, so that side gotta go. There we go. After that, I just put my hair into 4 sections again and I proceed to put in the hair mask. The hair mask is infused with caviar and cashmere extracts, antioxidants, and vitamins to strengthen and smooth your hair. It also helps to repair any scalp damage and promotes faster hair growth and, of course, a healthier scalp. Yay! Then I go in with my Denman brush and further detangle. Then I twist it up. When I tell you that my hair was tangled before this, and look at it afterwards, like my hand is gliding through my hair like butter. After this, I proceed to deep condition. I just leave it in for 10 minutes, you know, the remainder while I go take a shower and then I come back. Next, we're gonna move on to the styling process. Guys, just look at my hair. It is so bouncy and the curls, man, like curls. I love this product so much. I go in with my spray bottle and get it a little more damp so I can apply the products, and then, you know, do a little light finger detangling. Then I go in with this hair silk. Drench your hair in cashmere. Soften and moisturize dry, damaged tresses, leaving them healthy and manageable with bounce and shine. Plus the added bonus of slip. Yes! Honestly, I had so much slip, and look at my curls. They're so defined, and I'm not exaggerating when I tell you this is the softest my hair has ever been. This product made my hair so soft and manageable, and my hair normally looks so dull and it's so shiny here. After that, then I go in with the hair jelly. The smoothing hair jelly has a light hold with added sheen and definition. Honestly, the hair jelly, I didn't expect that consistency. I was expecting something clear, so that was kind of weird to me, but I liked the light hold and just how it felt in my hair. Just felt really smooth and nice and all of that. So now I'm proceeding to do a 3-strand twist. No, I will not be doing a tutorial in this video, but I do have a video up on it. So, you know, I'm gonna put it right up here in this right hand corner. You go click it after you finish watching this video and all of that. Yeah. Now, while you watch me do the rest of my twists, I'm just gonna tell you the benefits of the cashmere. Now, it's composed primarily of the most luxurious protein keratin broken down into the smallest molecular level to improve the condition of hair via smoothing cuticle, imparting intense shine, and improved manageability. Expect to see luxuriously soft, supple, glistening coils. Cashmere, the fabric known for its smooth texture, will absolutely achieve the same effect on your hair. The benefits of caviar is rich in vitamin A, B, and high in antioxidants and omega-3 and omega-6. This extract enhances moisture and naturally repairs and restores texture strands while boosting sebum production and preventing hair loss. This rich hydrating and restoring ingredient improves the overall quality of the hair while enhancing health and shine. Now, the benefits of the champagne fruit, also known for improving elasticity and manageability. You see how my hair just sprung back up every time I stretched it? Trust me, it works. You can see it for yourself. Product did not lie when it said it strengthens, restructures, and adds sheen. Like, honestly. So yeah, this is what my twists are looking like so far. I have about 17 twists in my head. I wish it was 18 because, you know, I like even when things are even and perfect and balanced and whatever. But yeah, so what it's looking like, and I'm gonna let this air dry. I'm gonna go to class like this, and I'm gonna go to bed, and you guys will see the results tomorrow. So yeah. Now we're going to move on to the takedown, where I'm going to use the hair serum. Now, the hair serum is formulated with cashmere and caviar extract, as we know, and this growth enhancing hair strengthening treatment is the solution for increasing hair growth and creating unbelievable sheen. I was a bit confused with the consistency. I kind of expected it to be, you know, like some silicone type of hair product, more slimy, but it was really sticky. And I would think that the gel would be like this, but the gel wasn't sticky at all. Yes, I'm being gentle. The video is just sped up, so yeah. And I was kind of in a rush, so that's why there's a little bit of frizz. But nevertheless, the hairstyle looked good to me. My twist outs have never been this defined. As you can see, I was just loving it. I was pretty shocked and all of that stuff. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like at the end. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks to Curls for sending me these products, and see you in my next video.